Can you imagine in this day and age, people with dreadlocks are still discriminated against? I mean, there's situations where people are fired from their jobs, fired from school, can't get into the army, or just plain outright trampled on in public by people with imposing views. This video today is talking about the discrimination on dreadlocks. Personally, I've never had too big of an issue with this. Never really had any issues facing school or work, but I have been go-karting in the past, or I guess you could say I haven't been go-karting in the past because their helmets don't fit me at the go-kart racetrack. So that's discrimination in its lowest form. I mean, the types of discrimination that I've typically had regarding my locks has always come down to ignorance. People asking me things like, you know, is that your real hair? Is it fake? Do you wash your hair? How do you wash your hair? Just like ignorant shit like that. I've actually been discriminated against from fellow Jamaicans saying that my locks are not Rasta locks, that I'm not a true Rasta because of the type of hair that I had. And this was specifically with my last set of interlocks. People would claim this on me. And it's like, bro, what is it to you anyways? Like, people just feel like they have some superiority to tell you their opinion to make their ego feel better. You know, the truth is discrimination is real and it's far beyond just hair type. I've been discriminated more against in my life based off factors like my skin tone, based off factors of my family. I remember once in high school, I wasn't allowed into a party because of the discrimination that I was so-and-so's brother. I remember in the past people thinking less of me or cracking jokes about me because of my skin tone. I've heard people think less of me or more of me because of my skin tone once again, amongst people of other races of skin, darker skin tones. Like, I've been discriminated against because I rollerblade and not skateboard. Like, what is the deal with discrimination? Look at the state of the world that we're in now. Got masks hanging around everywhere in nature. And believe it or not, I've been discriminated against not wearing these stupid things as well.